What we're trying to do is work in partnership with our suppliers to try and find innovations and new ways of doing things and doing things more efficiently. I'm Paul Lockwood. I head up procurement at Central Co-op, looking after goods not for resale. So Central Co-op has three primary areas. We have a funeral business, we have a retail business, which is convenience stores, and also we have a property business as well. The big thing for the Co-op at the moment, I think, is around the energy crisis. So for us, we've taken what is a crisis as an opportunity to do investment in green solutions. Investing in solar panels, so we're putting solar panels on 180 of our convenience stores in England. So it's really, how can we lower our dependency on buying energy, and ultimately our target at a point in time is really to be 100% energy self-sufficient. Our partners are key to what we do as an organisation. Working with them with purpose and strategically, that is helping us to deliver solutions today. Our suppliers are key to what we do today and will be key to what we do tomorrow. So I think it's just always innovating, always being on the front foot, trying new things, and I think those are the things which sits in the DNA of Central Co-op and will see us right and hopefully continue to grow as well.